On the 16th of March, we gathered on the annual ASEF Gala at Stanford University to celebrate our organization's progress and to honor and award Slovenians of exceptional achievements. This year, ASEF Lifetime Achievement Award went to Slovenian language lecturer at Stanford University, Mia Rode, who dedicated her life to advocating for Slovenian language and culture in the United States. Born in Slovenia, she moved to the US at the age of 20 and later obtained a master's degree in library studies, which enabled her to start her career at Stanford University. American Slovenian Education Foundation strives for promoting and enhancing American and Slovenian educational activities through offering students exchange programs between Slovenians in the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Slovenia. It aims to strengthen research, innovation, and business possibilities among scholars and intellectuals of Slovenian origin. We hope to see you next year again.